5, 6, 7. Here's the second video for review worksheet number 4. It says find all the zeros of the equation. Now this is a cubic equation, but there's 4 terms. Just like we did on the review worksheet 3 about factoring, when there's 4 terms, you're going to factor this one by grouping. So a negative x cubed plus x squared minus 7x plus 7 equals 0. Man, that first negative right there just screws everything up. So you know what I'm going to do? This is something you can do when you're factoring. I hate it when the leading term is negative. I'm just going to factor a -1 out of everything. It's not going to change the answer, I hope. X cubed minus x squared plus 7x minus 7. Now let's factor by grouping. What's the GCF of these two terms? It's x squared, so we have x minus 1. What's the GCF of these two terms? It's 7. We have x minus 1, so then that becomes our new GCF, x minus 1 and x squared plus 7. Now when you solve this using the zero product property, this one's easy, so x equals 1. Remember, we got that -1 out here to take care of later. And we have x squared plus 7. Set that equal to 0 individually, and when you bring the 7 over and take the square root, that's going to give you plus or minus I rad 7. Remember, the negative under the radical becomes imaginary number I. So let's take a look at our answers. We should have 1 and plus or minus I rad 7. But what are the answers? Is it 1 plus or minus I rad 7? Yep, there it is. The answer C.